I must tell you that you have a great responsibility. The framers of the Constitution, these were some brilliant people. They did prepare us for a time such as this and a president such as Trump. Mr. President, these were some brilliant people. They knew that we might encounter a president who would not want to sign a piece of historic legislation. So there is a means by which we can move forward, and that means is without your signature. That means is simply this: you don't sign it. Once it's delivered to you, once you receive it, once it's sent to you, then 10 days later, if you don't sign it, it becomes law. 10 days later, it becomes law, not counting Saturdays and Sundays. 10 days later, it'll become law. And then when it becomes law, Mr. President, you didn't sign it, so that gives you a way out. You didn't sign it, it became law, and you can go out and tell people how you were opposed to the many things that I've mentioned, how you were opposed to helping people who are renters acquire a place to call home, how you were opposed to helping the builders construct more homes so that people can have a place to call home. You can go out and talk about that in your very own way. So you don't have to sign it. But it does have to arrive at your, in your place, if you will, in your space. You have to receive it. It has to be sent to you. And if it is sent to you, then the 10 days will start from the day that it is forwarded to you. My hope is that it would be done, if it hasn't been done, and that the 10 days would run. I know, Mr. President, that you enjoy having other people take responsibility for your inactions and your actions. So since you enjoy it very much, my fear is that you will encourage that it not be sent to you. You will push back on it being sent to you, so that later on you will be able to say, oh, I never got it, so I couldn't sign it. That would give you your way out. You would push back. Well, I would hope that that pushback won't be sufficient, and I would hope that you would receive it so that either you will sign it and move on, or it's not signed and it passes, or you can veto it. And if you veto it, I believe that with the number of votes that I've called to your attention for passage in the House and the Senate, that veto can be overridden. Again, you're off the hook. You're off the hook. But my fear is that knowing you, you're going to do everything that you can to avoid having that get to your desk, so that you can then blame someone else for your inaction, which really would be your actions, because you would have rejected having it being sent to you in the first place.